Hello, everyone. This is Shanika with Royal Statements. Oh my goodness, it has been a long time since I have been on to do a live, but I'm here. I'm excited to be here because I had an in-person class that I just want to share about. And I also want to just catch up and see how everybody's doing. So as you're coming into the room, do me a favor and be sure to share this live video out. If you are not following me here live on TikTok, be sure to follow me here on TikTok as well as all my other social media. So, about 2 weeks ago, tomorrow, I was a presenter at the Makers Marketplace Business Inspo and Expo. And this took place in Greenville, South Carolina. Greenville, South Carolina. If you don't know, I am based here in South Carolina. And so this was my ebook that each participant got from me for free, included in their ticket for my class. However, I wanted to come on live to showcase a bit, not all, showcase this book. The class is entitled Social Media Glow Up, a step-by-step on how to add the wow factor. But in this ebook, I took you through the basics of Canva, basic Canva 101, helping you learn the ins and outs, elements, the toolbar, how to use various things, how to find various elements, so you can be ready to then push out whatever you have onto your social media. I also share within this one of my GPT bots, which is there to help you learn about font pairing because fonts matter. And so this was presented in my class. And let me say this. This was my first live class of 2025. And I've told you all before, I'm having my live planner class coming up this year as well. This planner class is going to be live. So you have a live option as well as a Zoom option. But because I have taken classes from other people, I've learned some things, feel like, what I learned, I am making sure to have it packed and be powerful so you can leave there ready to go. So this is my cover from an ebook. It's available on my website right now. This is a bit about me and who I am. And as I always share, I'm a proud Canvasador. And so this is my table of contents. So we learn how to set up Canva, find elements in Canva, use your design tools, looking at your brand kits and fonts, templates, engagement, content planning, and you also get some freebies included. So I'm here because I want you all to know that this is available. Yes, this is my live class, but this is also still available for purchasing on my website, royalstatements.com, because I think everyone needs to know the basics of Canva so you can know how to use it to help you glow up in your social media world. Now, if you're here, I'm going to ask a question. Give me a red heart if you know how to use Canva, or give me a pink heart if you don't. So drop a comment, red heart for you know how to use Canva, or a pink heart for you don't know. Let's see where we are. Who here is a Canva user? So red for you know, pink for I have no idea. Drop a comment. Okay, pink, no idea. Thank you, Charmaine, for that. All right. Red for I know, pink, I have no idea. Red, I know. Okay, thank you, Kay. So far, we have 2 people on here. One person knows, the other person doesn't know. Well, I want to say this. If you're embarrassed or don't want to share, that's okay, because guess what? Royal Statements is all about helping you learn and grow. And as an educator by nature, it is my job to teach you, okay? So if you feel inclined, I highly suggest purchasing this ebook from me, because it is going to help you with a step-by-step guide and learn how to navigate Canva. You have 2 options of Canva. You can use the free version or the paid version. I have the paid version, the pro version, because I am a Canva. And so I use Canva a lot in things that I publish on my social media. I also use Canva when I am creating items. So Canva is really huge in my life, and I use it on a daily basis. If you did not know, you can also have Canva for free if you are an educator. Now, with that being said, I want you to remember this. If you have that educator account, when you leave that job, you cannot carry that Canva with you. I know it's free, but I'm also going to say this. Everything that's free is not always the best thing for you. So I suggest purchasing Canva and pay for it. It's $12.95 a month. Pay for it. So therefore, it's portable. It goes with you, and you're able to take it if you leave that education job or whatever the case is, because Canva stores your information on their site, and so it is there for you. You have the cloud is keeping your information that is there. Does anyone have any questions about this ebook? Because I have 2 more things that I want to show you. Also, I want to ask a huge favor. If you're not following me here on TikTok, be sure to follow me here. And also share this video out so that others can see what we're talking about. And if what I am talking about is something of value, of worth to you, please like the live. Thank you for the hearts. I do appreciate it. This is my first time going live, and it's been a minute. And so I enjoy coming on here and sharing. If you're new here, please be sure to go to the link in my bio. I have a YouTube page. I just posted a video last month. I think it was last month, for a 5x7 invitation from start to bottom, from start to finish, using Canva. I also have on my Instagram, and I'm here on TikTok and Facebook as well. As I stated earlier, proud Canvastor. I love Canva because Canva gives you the basic tools that you can use to build from the ground up. Okay, I have used Photoshop before. I'm a Photoshop girly as well. However, Photoshop, you have to start from the bottom up. You build it yourself. But in Canva, you can research and find different things to use to help you build upon those things. All right. Does anyone have any questions before I switch gears? Anyone have any questions? I know we had a girl, I need help, and girl, I know how to use Canva person, and that's fine. But this ebook is still available on my website for purchasing, should you need the extra help. I have showcased some about me, and this is my table of contents, so you can see exactly what you would be getting. It is a digital download, so it's available immediately after you make your purchase. Canva is here. It's growing by leaps and bounds. It's not going anywhere. And so I suggest you jump on the train because you can do so much with it. And I'll be showcasing many tutorials on how to use various apps or elements within Canva to help boost your social media and any posting that you might make. Now, yes, so this was created in Canva. But did you know you can also create a banging flyer that can be used to help showcase who you are with your customers? This is a flyer that I created, of course, using Canva. And this one I used at my last show that I was a part of. So this was a part of my show. And I passed this out. And so I have on here who I am, my name. I have my brand colors. I have samples of some of my work. So this is, I also do shirts. So this is a t-shirt for 2025 grads, a planner here in the middle, and I have my party favorites on the side. I had a lemonade challenge this past summer of different party favors, and so that's from this. But I also offer many things. I offer classes, templates, stationery, party favors, and custom shirts. So this is something you could do. If you're going to a show, you want to have something to pass out to your customers or potential customers, it's a flyer. And on the back of it, I have my QR code, right? I have it big, so they cannot miss seeing this QR code. And you all, this is on 5x7 paper. 5x7 glossy on one side. It is matte on the back. Of course, I used my Epson 8550 printer to print it on. And this is my flyer that I use to pass out. This is something that's nice and handy to give to people if they don't stop at your table. Offered these. These are, this is my money, all right? Show me the money. This is my money. So I used this $100 bill. It is a PNG of the bill, right? However, I edited and changed some things. I added my face in the middle. I added my Canva logo on the side. I have my socials here. Redeem for a one-on-one session with me by the date. Thank you, Kay. And I also have my logo. However, these can also be included in any packaging you offer to your customers with inserts for coupons. It can be for a discount code. You know, I have said before, I want everyone to think outside of the box. Don't solely think of one-dimensional stuff. So think about how you can use something in more than one way. I can easily find another bill that's 5, 10, 20, right? And I can have that be a 5%, $5 off, a 20% off coupon. You change it to be what you need it to be. Because in Canva, when you use your editing tool, you can change and remove the background and do different things to allow you to showcase what it is you are doing and how you want to present yourself to your customers. All right. I've talked a lot. Does anybody have any questions about what I have showcased so far? So thus far, I have shown you all my Canva Basic 101 ebook that's on my website. I have showcased flyers/inserts that can go inside your packaging when you mail things to your customers. And now I'm showcasing the money that I created as prizes for customers, for people who want a free one-on-one session with me. And with everything that I print out, I use my inkjet printer, my Epson 8550. It prints very vibrant in color, and that is what I use to showcase what I have. And I know that I have a video of me showing this being printed out. Does anyone have any questions? Any questions? And again, if you're not following me here on TikTok, be sure to follow me here and then go to the link in my bio to follow me on other social media and look at my links to see who I am and all that I offer. All right, so thank you for the follows. Thank you for the love. So yeah, Canva is it. Later on today, I will post a short tutorial showing you how to use some element within Canva and how you can use that to help boost your social media posting and help in your business. Again, if you have not used Canva for flyers, why not? This is my flyer I created on Canva. It's a 5x7, and I did all my shapes and everything, and this is what I use to pass out to customers so they know who I am, and I have my QR code on the back so that it is all there and ready to go. Does anyone have any questions? Any questions? No questions? Y'all are quiet today. All right, I know it's a pop-up live. I thank you all for being here. So again, follow me here on TikTok so that you'll be aware the next time I do go live. As I said earlier, I will be posting a video of me using some element within Canva, some tool to showcase how Canva can help you boost your business and help you grow. And I hope that everyone has an amazing Valentine's Day. And love yourself first. You know, it's wonderful to have someone in your life that loves you and you love them, but it's always best to love yourself first. Self-love is always, always, always the best kind of love to have. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.